Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Developers 2.0. And I know it's been like quite long since I didn't post anything on the YouTube. So I thought let's get back to YouTube and post the things out for the community, for our developers community especially. So today I'm thinking to discuss the thing out about the LinkedIn, like what all things has been required and how to maintain your portfolio over the LinkedIn, and what are the key things that one need to be mentioned in the LinkedIn. So even I got one like the best blog over the LinkedIn. So I just want to refer the things out, and let's get started with the things like what are the best practices, some the key things that we can do to optimize our LinkedIn, because we know when we go for a company or we when we just approach anyone, the first the furthermost thing that the one is gonna look on to the LinkedIn profile, the portfolio. Then they'll ask, okay, share your LinkedIn profile, we'll see it out, and if you will gonna best fit, then for sure we're gonna approach you with the offer or the with the interview process. So it's quite important. And by the time LinkedIn is getting more popular, and even it's a global thing, like a global social media network, you could say, for the developers, for the other professional. So it's not like just LinkedIn has been there for the developer, but yes, it's been there for other professional as well. So today let's see what are the key things that we can do to optimize our LinkedIn profile. So here they have like, first of all, I'll just gonna give an credit to Jane for uh, posting the thing out of the LinkedIn, because this post is a great post I could see. And so fine then, let's start with the thing. So yes, choose the right profile picture for the LinkedIn, because it's not the other social media like the Instagram or the Facebook where we're gonna post the things out like hey, we just got to Maldives, we just got to Goa, or whatever. We just got to Singapore or Hong Kong for this trip and like that. So this is not that place. So this is the professional like platform. So we need to be quite professional with the things as well. So make sure when you are just capturing the things out, like when you are headshotting your profile picture, it should be clear, visible, and it should be like professional, because it's quite important when you just place your profile picture for the LinkedIn, it should be a professional one. So it's quite important. And apart from that, even the background photo is also bit required. So I'll just quickly open my LinkedIn, and here we go. So yes, like a professional photo is been required, just as we have discussed right away. Like yes, for the LinkedIn professional, or the profile picture is required with the clear visibility of the face. It's not something like where you're gonna show the body and muscles like that. So uh, okay, I wouldn't gonna go deep, but yes, it should be professional. And yes, the background image is also been required. And like as we have discussed, like background photo plays a key role as well. When you just open anybody, like it would be if you got some LinkedIn profile with you and you just open it out, when you see like it's been like fully optimized or fully completed profile, so you are quite impressed with the thing, because yes, he had like literally done like lot, like it could be these like other fields as well, like about feature and the other thing, the experience and all. Yes, that all things are required, but apart from this, just to make things more interactive, it's also been required, or to get the things out. Like here, I just placed the background images, my name, then email ID, and the YouTube channel. Yes, here are my basic details, like email. Anybody could find the email from here directly. So I just paste the email and the YouTube channel details. So yes, this is also been important. And the third or the key, most important point is make your headline more clear, precise, more than the job title, because it is like whenever you search anybody over the LinkedIn, so you got some headlines as well apart from the name. So what he's doing and what kind of things he loved to do, on what all things he had completed or something like that. Just then to like that too, with the small key phrases. Don't use the entire paragraph kind of thing. So yes, so as I can show my headline. So here my headline is like I'm the senior software engineer at like at XYZ company, and then like I had completed some certification and I'm the AI enthusiast guy. So that's how you will gonna place the things out, and it's quite important. And I'll gonna make another video and about discussing the things like how to make headline more interactive or eye-catching headline. Okay. And yes, fourth point is record and display your name pronunciation, because that is far important. Uh, when it comes globally, it's important over there, because they need to like even whenever we got some profile, an international profile. So sometimes we just mispronounce the name, and to avoid that things out, that's the reason LinkedIn had introduced this kind of thing like record and display your name pronunciation. Then the fifth point, and it's quite important point, like turn your summary into your story. Like, and then too, I'll say don't summarize the things out. It's the summary. Don't write an essay kind of thing. Just be at point, and use the selected keywords. Don't use the entire paragraph kind of thing, because like if you got any profile, suppose if I'm getting some profile, so what I'm gonna see is, okay, what are the summary, or what are the things he had completed and what things he'll love to do. So that whole thing I can just I can quickly summarize the things out if by the about section or summary. So this is very important. And grow your network and declare the buzzword kind of thing. Yes, uh, like we can use any kind of buzzword like specialized, leadership, focus, strategic, or something experienced, passionate, experts, and the other things. As I said, like I have included the certificate detail, and like I got certified in certain tech skill, or it could be anything. So I had mentioned the things out in my headline itself. So even you could do the same as well. So that's the good way actually. And yes, for sure. Growing your network is far more important, because if you have quite good connection or the network, then for sure you have more exposure kind of thing. Like if you need any kind of help, you can get the things like you could like easily get some help from community as well. So try to get involved in community, and the whatever the tech skill or what are the framework you are using at your current employer, make sure you are being part of that group or the community. Or also at the, by the time, just try to connect more and more people, not randomly. Like it's I'm not saying like just bombard the things out to other LinkedIn profile. Just connect to a one who are in the same phase, or who are in who will gonna help you out, or who can like to whom you can just go and ask for mentorship kind of thing. Yes, and then list your relevant skills. Yes, even this is quite important, because by getting the LinkedIn profile, the one important thing the recruiter will do is he or she will gonna go to relevant like skill section, and it will gonna like he or she will gonna see the things out what all skills you have with you. And also do make sure that you got some endorsement kind of thing, because getting an endorsement is quite important when it comes to uh, like LinkedIn profile. It's quite important, because you are, and also don't just be a one who just got an endorsement. Please do endorsement to others folks as well. It could be any classmate, for like a project mate or the teammate kind of thing. It's okay. And also request the recommendation, and I'll for sure I'll gonna make some another video like what is the best practice that you could do to make a request for the recommendation, because even this is more important if you have some recommendation kind of thing. If suppose if I'm a recruiter, I'll go down to a skill section, then a recommendation section, and if I see like somebody has like you have worked with some project manager, or you have worked with the team who had recommended you, like you have completed this work and even in the more efficient manner. So we want to know, yes, you got some recommendation. So that's quite important. Also showcase like your passion for learning, and this is possible by updating your course material, like what all courses you have covered, what all certificates you have with you. So you can just list all the things out in the course certificates or the curriculum kind of thing. And after that, the share the media and marketing collaterals. Yes, even this is more important. And because sharing the media and the other collateral with the projects details what you have completed, it makes more clear or more visualized thing. Like it's easier to visualize the things out if you will gonna share the things out. Like it could be the hackathon event picture kind of thing, or it could be a certificate, or it could be the profile link, or it could be anything else, like the letter of appreciation, letter of recommendation kind of thing. And after that, share the relevant content from your LinkedIn feed. And yes, like whatever the LinkedIn feed you have posted, you can even attach the things out. Also, one more important thing, like this feature is quite important. It's quite good, like the featured section in the LinkedIn, because we can see like whatever we want to feature out on top of our profile, the portfolio, we can just tag the things out. Okay, it's been important, and this is what, this is this, and something like that. And featuring the resume is quite important, I believe, like because one could easily get your resume just by watching or just by going through your LinkedIn profile. And like at last, like here they have mentioned, like here she have mentioned some more details, like add the comments. And yes, comments is also important. And follow the relevant influences in your industry. As I said, like it's better to be a part of community of whatever the framework you are working with. Be a part of community, to the like developer community, and the other community which you feel more appropriate for you. And turn you on the creator mode, even this is more important. I'll make another video on this, like what actually the creator mode do and how you can use it out. Spotlight the services you offer. Like you can just spotlight the things out. Okay, here are the things that I have, like I'm expert in that, like consultant, freelancing, something like that. And at last, okay, sales navigation is okay, fine. We can just skip it out. I'll just go back to my LinkedIn profile, and I'll quickly walk through the things out directly. Taking an example, like, okay, as I said, profile picture is more important than background photo. Then, yes, headline is the key thing that we're gonna need. And then apart from that, it's better to have the location or the contact details of the information kind of thing. And make sure that you have completed your about section. And about section, you can just summarize the things out, what you have done so far, and what you willing to do, and how the things are going on kind of thing. And after that, you can just feature all the things, like this thing I had completed. And like if you've been part of some certain hackathon, or you got some certification kind of thing, which is far much like important, or it's like no other post can compare the things out. In that case, you can just tag them in the feature section. And after that, yes, experience section is far most important, because here you will gonna describe the things out, what you have worked so far, and what all tasks you have handled. Along with that, you can just list down the skills, like what all skills you have learned, or what all skills you have utilized for your past work or experience kind of thing. And apart from that, education is the key thing. Like you can just mention the things out, like, okay, I completed this education, and this was the great kind of thing. So as I said, like license and certification is quite important kind of thing, because mentioning the things out, like yeah, I completed. So like this certification kind of thing is quite important. Even you can just link down the credentials or the URL for the matches or the certificates. That is quite good. As I was like saying, like it's important to it's better to attach the media as well over the license certification or anything else. After that, if you have done so far any project kind of thing which you think, okay, this is a relevant project, so you can just mention the things out with the other contributors. If you've been part of a team and you didn't work for a project alone, in that case you can just add them out. Okay, so we had worked together, and yes, we have completed this thing, and like what tasks you have completed, please make sure to include that as well. Then volunteering section, like what all event you have volunteered out. Then skills, you can just list down all the skills that you have with you kind of thing. And at last we have a recommendation, then courses, then honors and award. The recommendation, it could be like received and the given thing, like even you could just give out the recommendation. That's okay, fair enough. And I'll say, like I'll suggest you guys, like whenever you completed any project, just ask your like teammates, or just ask your line manager, like please provide the recommendation of the link. That's a good practice actually. And after that, at the end, we have an honors and the award kind of thing, of what all achievements you have achieved. You can just list down the things out. And at last, we have an organization. Like if you have been part of certain organization, you can just include the things here in the organization tab. So I think that's how you can just optimize your LinkedIn profile, and that's will definitely gonna help you out to make to stand out of the crowd. Because like I have seen, like I think out of 10 folks, or like only 5 to 6 folks will gonna have the complete LinkedIn profile. Otherwise, others will gonna have like they have LinkedIn profile, but they didn't like give an effort to complete the things out. They have just created the LinkedIn profile. That's it, and that's not a good practice actually. Because it's the social media account. Here we can just hunt the jobs out. Like even if we could ask for some referrals and something like that. In that case, they'll just first gonna look out your LinkedIn profile, and they will see, okay, what he had done so far, and how the things have been there for him or her. So I think that's it for today's video, and let's stay connected. So I'll just gonna post some more posts over the LinkedIn, like what are the best eye-catching headlines that we can make, and something like that. And also on like also some videos on the, I think the contribution, like the creator mode. Yes, yes. So I'll gonna make some video on creator mode as well. So thanks for watching this video, and if you are there till far, so you can just subscribe or like the video. Okay, thanks for being there.